You care too much about things that don't matter. You're stressed over thinking and drowning in opinions that have zero bearing on your life. Why? Because you haven't mastered the simplest skill. There is not giving a or calm. You give too many good because you think you're supposed to. Society has trained you to care about everything, how you look, what others think, what's trending, and a million other distractions. You've been programmed to measure your worth by external standards that don't align with your goals. But think about it, how much of your energy is wasted on things that won't matter in a week, let alone a year? That time you stressed over a dumb argument on video about who's the GOAT of your favorite sport. Yeah, that didn't move the needle on your life, did it that moment? You panicked because someone didn't text back. Did it really change anything? No. But you still gave a lifein, and that's on you. Every I you give comes at a cost. Your energy, your time, your mental peace. Think of your as a limited resource. You've only got so many to give. So why are you handing them out like free samples when you care about everything? You dilute your focus, your goals get blurry, your confidence takes a hit. You're constantly chasing approval and validation from people who don't even matter. And here's the rough reality. Most people are too busy caring about their own lives to care about yours. So why the hell are you wasting your energy trying to impress them? But let me get this straight. You're not tired because you're doing too much. You're tired because you're thinking too much. You've made a habit of giving a one about things that don't deserve it. Listen to this, not giving a no doesn't mean being a jerk or abandoning your responsibilities. It's not about apathy or laziness. It's about focus. It's about deciding what's worth your attention and what's not. When you stop giving a million hours about the noise, you can actually focus on the things that matter, your goals, your values, and the people who actually deserve your time. And the rest, it's background static, cut it out. This isn't complicated, it's about priorities. You already know what you value deep down. The problem is, you keep letting nonsense distract you. Social media opinions, forget them. Random gossip, irrelevant. That one person who doesn't like you, who cares if it doesn't align with your prior IDs, it doesn't deserve a single number. But let's get into the how, because you didn't come here for vague advice. You want steps, fine, here they are. Identify your priorities, what actually matters to you. Write it down. Is it your family, your health, your career? Good. That's your list. If it's not on that list, it doesn't get a no. Stop seeking validation. Nobody's opinion of you matters unless you give it permission to stop checking likes. Stop fishing for compliments. You don't need external approval to know your worth. Learn to say no. This one's a game changer. Stop agreeing to things that don't serve you. If it's not a hell, yeah, it's a no. Simple, set boundaries. If someone's draining your energy, cut them off or keep them at a distance. You don't owe anyone unlimited access to your time and attention. Embrace discomfort. People will judge you. No matter what you do, accept it. Let them talk. Their opinions have nothing to do with you and everything to do with them. Detach from outcomes. You can't control everything. Stop obsessing over results and focus on the process. Do your best and let the rest go. When you stop giving them to seed, your life gets lighter. You have more time, more energy, and more focus. You become unstoppable because you're not weighed down by unnecessary baggage. Think of it like cleaning out a closet. When you get rid of the clutter, you can actually see and use the stuff you care about. The same goes for your mind. Stop hoarding useless worries, declutter your brain, and make space for what truly matters. When you stop caring about the wrong things, people notice. Confidence is magnetic. Clarity is rare. By not giving a blank, you'll attract the right opportunities and repel the wrong ones. It's a win-win. But let's clear something up.